Well, we said we were going to call back to Llanarmon and Jarl and nip into the Raven pub. And we have. We just called in now. There's a little band in there practicing. Don't know if you can hear them. I think they're just about to strike up another song. But we did call here at night time a few weeks back, and there was a pussycat. Went for a walk in that old graveyard across the way there, but it was quite dark at the time. Pussycat was in this car park, but he's not here at the moment. Maybe he only comes out at night. It's a lovely little village though. Nice little place. If you're ever popping by. There's a shop across the way. I think that'll be shut now. But here in is the Raven Inn. Jimmy's gone and got some nuts. Community run. That's a smashing place. It's the kind of place where you see tractors driving around, probably. Like so. Nice little town. And the pub's nice. I don't drink a great deal, but I got myself some honey beer, and you can actually taste the honey in it. It's really nice. I'll only have the one probably. That's lovely.
Like some Andrew.
Oh, getting a nut. Alright, thank you. So then guys, what's your thoughts on the Raven Inn? Do you like it?
Yeah, very nice. Run tomorrow to let me know.
Thanks. Quite a pleasant little village, isn't it, as well? What do you think, Anne-Marie?
Good, yeah.
Too busy on TikTok.
No, on TikTok.
You see the kind of surroundings that you're in here, between that tree over there, see? Out in the sticks. And it's not really that far from Mould. Oh, there's a puss. Hello, puss.
Where's that lovely black cat again?
That's a different one, this one. He's going for a pint, look. Off you go, puss, you enjoy.
This is cat, isn't it? Another one, Marine. There's another one.
Hello, puss. I'm getting a fuss here.
You didn't make the packets bigger, wouldn't
They're nice, aren't you?
Tiny.
Love cats are nice and soft,
There's always a pussy cat knocking round somewhere, isn't there? After a fuss. Oh, thanks, Jim.
You can get them out. No, so how much in the packet? I'll do then.
Just get a couple of Nobby's nuts.
Most of it.
The bus is wondering what the noise is. What's that, bus?
Just ring her. It's not too late now, but perhaps ring her tomorrow.
No, I'll ring her tomorrow.
Yeah.
I've got it in your book then.
It's different if she knows you, I suppose.
It's Joy. Your name is Joy, is it? Joy, is it?
Oh, there's a rainbow.
Sorry,
I don't know if this will pick it up, but there's a rainbow over there. At night time, that's unusual. Straight ahead there. There's Pussy's. Pussy's going for a walk now. Crikey, that building across the way there, that's 1880.
I don't say that. I can say it then. I'm sure that it's good.
Yeah, if you give her a ring, enough to do.
See if we can film a little bit of the music. I don't like disturbing them, and some people get a bit camera shy, you see, but
No, do it on Tuesday or Thursday, Friday.
We're covered Monday, Joyce is Tuesday. And she does that.
Thursday, Friday.
She does it and Thursday. She does it on
Yeah, it's like I do
Tuesday.
it for 2 months or so, yeah.
Through the summer would be great.
Okay, it's only July now, isn't it? So I do it through July. July, August, it's summertime then now. It's like a part-time. It is the time, look, my birthday, maybe July, August, 2 months. It's not long. I can try and do that once a week. And it's 5 till 9, at 10.
On the
4 or 5 hours.
On the Thursday. Yeah, but Joe will come in to look at
5
so
till
it
10,
takes
4,
5
5.
till 10.
That's what 5
there you
hours.
go, a little bit of the music as well.
The other, no, it's Fido on Thursday, which is a bit more complicated. We go and talk to her
I
anyway.
can drinks, but maybe. I guess you just let me do that. It's up to Joey though, yeah?
Free drinks, yeah. Maybe ask her.
Okay, alright, okay.
Yeah, because the others are covered by volunteers at the moment.
It's a pub round there, isn't it?
Seen the rainbow up there?
I think, yeah. I see it. I can.
I think Puss is wondering if that bag's got any tuner in it, Jim. I think the sun's just disappearing over the edge of the horizon now. Got the evening bird song.
You want to go to the shop now? No, we have no rush. We can have a look down. If
Can do. You alright there, love?
Pull that man ring there. I'll put the shop. Some of that gorgeous sky.
Oh yeah. That's where the tractor went a minute ago.
Look at these hands for your portrait cards.
Oh yeah. If you want a hand-drawn pet portrait from photographs, we've got portraits with
Fox glove and lupins over there.
paw as in paw, dog's portraits by Annie at outlook.com. Lovely garden, isn't it?
The cat there.
Plus,
And the shop's open. The shop's open.
is it?
Oh my God.
Oh, I don't know. It might just be lit up. No, I think it's shut, isn't it?
I've got your sweets on the top of the middle of the jars inside there.
Oh, I see. It's got a bit of info about the place over here. Llanarmon lies near the River Allen, within an area of outstanding natural beauty. Buildings at the heart of the village are in a conservation area, along with Erebus, and I can't read that one. Grayan Reed, is it? Grayan Reed. The area has many listed buildings and historic monuments, excellent public footpaths intersect the area, enabling visitors to view the landscape and access Offers Dyke Natural Trail. The Raven Inn, there's the pub, look, in 1930. And there's this shop in 1912. The church is dedicated to St Garmon, reputedly Welsh for St Germanus, a 5th century French warrior bishop. Goodness me. He's thought to have been killed in Palestine in 1320. Bethel Chapel to the north of the village was built in 1786. Crikey. Major lead mining started here in the 13th century, peaked in the 1800s.
Only bluestone now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you know they make lovely cheese and onion pasties and I'm not just saying that,
Do they?
they're gorgeous, cold, they're absolutely gorgeous. I think about 100 of them. Oh man, they're so nice.
Ah, well there you go, there's an advert for you. Well, we sell home and baked pies, cakes and hot drinks. There's a post box here as well. Bungalow looks a bit newer than some of the others. Nice little village though, isn't it? You can certainly take a few walks down here. There's lots of little roads heading off here and there and everywhere. Probably quite a few paths if you know the area a bit better than we do. And the buildings are quite old. There's the church, St Garmon. You can actually see it today because we're here a bit earlier. Is it there, see? I'm rubbish when it comes to trees, but graveyards usually have a yew tree in. So perhaps one of these is a yew tree, I don't know.
Oh, no, don't they?
Yeah, you can see the sun is disappearing now. Still got a bit of light across the way there. There's a few speckles of rain, I think.
Don't rush, but we'll get going in there. It's 10 to 10, isn't it?
Yeah, okay, mate, yeah.
I think the glass images are so nice on the staff here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
They're very respectful to them, you know what I mean? They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah, so if you're in the area, pop into the community run Raven Inn. Get yourself a nice honey beer. So there we are. Nice to see the place in the daytime. Now it is open in the week, but at the week on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday there's food. Asked and the lady kindly let us take some pictures inside. Ah, no worries, Jim. There's like lovely little areas where you can sit. Like a little snug area. Good old traditional Toby juice.
Probably when we do get there, probably will be dark. We're just anyway. It's still be nice to go, wouldn't it? I've been for a while, haven't we?
I'll just. Look at that. 1722. Goodness me. And across the way here, there's a little raven. I don't know if you can see him. And on Friday it's fish and chips.